Yeah. So I got a bonus question for you, right? So if you could spend 24 hours with anybody, dead or alive, who would it be and why?
I think Elon Musk. Yeah. So I'd spend the time with Elon Musk just because he has persistence as
Mm,
well. I mean, he's a very hard worker. He puts in a lot of hours. Sometimes he's extremely proud of what
mm,
he's doing, and he wouldn't trade it for anything. And at other times, you'll listen to interviews, and it'll feel like he kind of dreads it and wishes he
mm,
would have went in another direction. And I would want to pick his brain about that to see where he's coming from, to make sure I don't make the same potential mistakes, because you also have life,
mm.
right? You also have family, you also have things that you want to enjoy, and you don't want to, one day regret everything that you've done for the past 30, 40 years. So
Mm.
I think if I had that opportunity to spend time with him and pick his brain about that specifically, I think I'd learn a tremendous amount.